Is your Android phone heating up too much while charging, gaming, or using apps? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you the best ways to fix Android phone overheating problems quickly and easily. Overheating is one of the most common issues in Android devices. It can happen due to heavy apps, background processes, poor charging habits, or even environmental condition. But the good news is you can solve it with a few simple steps. So the first step is close unused apps. Too many apps running in the background can overload your CPU. Clear recent apps to reduce heat. Avoid using phone while charging. Using your phone while charging generates extra heat. Let it charge peacefully. Use original charger and cable. Third-party chargers can overheat your device. Always use the original charger. Fourth step is check for software updates. Outdated software can cause performance issues. Go to settings, then go to software update and update your phone. Fifth step is turn off high performance features. Disable Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi hotspot and high brightness when not needed. Step 6 is use battery saver mode. It helps reduce background processes and keeps your phone cool. Step 7 is avoid direct sunlight. Keep your phone away from hot environments. Step 8. Uninstall heavy or unused apps. Remove apps that drain battery and CPU power unnecessarily. If your phone is still heating up, try restarting it once a day. You can also install a cooling app to monitor temperature. So that's how you can fix Android overheating problems easily at home. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Check out my next video on improving Android battery life. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.